Hey guys, I know it's been a little while, but I kind of just wanted to bring a little update video slash life update in general, kind of. So one of the first updates that I'm super excited about is the camera quality. It's now going to be recorded in 4K, so 4K quality on the channel. That's pretty cool. It looked pretty good on the editing app, but leave a comment down below, let me know how it looks, and yeah. Also, another update is there's 3 new designs to the merchandise store. I'm actually wearing one of the shirts right now. If you want to get one, link down below. As for an update on my wrecker, well, here it is. So, it is completely off of the old truck now. And it's just pretty much chilling here now. We got it unmounted. I'll play the footage of us unmounting it right here. Yeah! So it's up in the air now. Cut all the wires and stuff. Now it's time to get on the stand. Apparently, I gotta move it back more. So, yeah. But yeah, now that it's unmounted, next step, sandblast. So I'm looking into getting a sandblast gun, because stuff like that, and just a little rust here and there has to be taken care of, or else it'll just get worse. So, and with the frame, it's good to do that as well. End it there, just little stuff. But also, I might start Twitch streaming soon too, so link to my Twitch down below.